There's the 9A fire engine, released in 1955. It's got the crimped axles that tell you it's 1950s. Beautiful. And the space underneath the driver, the fact that there's you can see between the driver's legs and the vehicle itself, tells us this is one of the very early models, so 1955 or 1956. I think they changed in 1957, so that dates it quite specifically. Not in bad conditions, really just a paint job. So we stuck it in the paint stripper, and it took a lot of work, about 5 goes to get it off, and even after 5 goes there's still some paint on it, so I had to use a Dremel tool to get rid of the remaining paint, but I suppose it's been there for 60 years, so not surprising really. And then mask off the tyres. I wanted to keep the original axles, so sprayed with the tyres left on. There it is after the primer, and after the gloss spray paint job, which came out pretty well. The detail on these really is amazing.